Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Hyundai Sonata SE. And I'll be showing you guys how I installed a sound system. Okay, so first things first, the hardest thing to figure out is how to wire this power cable. So what I did was I measured it, made sure I could reach the positive terminal of the battery. Then I put it all the way back there, zip tied it to some pre-existing lines, pulled that grommet right here out, put a little cut in it, and pushed the wire through. Then once you get it through, you have to go on the passenger side under the dash and pull this plastic cover out, and you'll find the cord, or the wire. Then once you find it, you just pop these little covers out and run a dripper all the way back. Next, what I did was, for the negative, I pulled the back seat out, and I took a wire brush and cleaned off an area for the negative. And then I took my amp, had to put some self tappers in there, just one here and one on the other side, to secure the speaker to the back, to secure the amp to the back of the seat. I have a lightning cap. It's pretty messy right now, but it works. Got two Kicker CBR 10s. Next, because I used my existing radio, so what I did was I pulled the rear panel off to look at the speakers and see what color the speaker wires were, and then I got an RCA adapter right there, and I combined the positives and the negatives and pulled that little panel off and found the positive and the negatives and spliced them together and soldered the wires together to get the left and the right for the RCAs. And then I ran all my wires down through the panels. The last thing is the remote wire, because if you're running the stock radio, then you're gonna have to wire in a remote wire. And what I did was I took the fuse panel out, and this is my remote wire right here, and I pulled this one this fuse right there, that 20 volt. I pulled it out. It would be, let me see, if you're looking at, according to this panel right here, I want to say I pulled the power outlet out, and I used the power outlet. I pulled the fuse out, wrapped the wire around it, and shoved it back in. And it works. This is what the older guys used to use in the old school cars. But then I wired everything back, tucked it through, ran it under the seats, ran up under the back, and try to keep everything nice and tidy, and connected them to my amp, and tucked everything under the seats and everything to make it a clean install, as clean as I possibly could. But yeah, I don't have any issues. No lights dimming. Nothing cuts off. Everything's crisp, clean. It's turned down a little bit, but everything's pretty good. All right, guys, I got the Sonata on. I'm about to show y'all a sound clip of the speakers bumping and show you how everything works. gotta turn it down. I don't want anything crazy, just want something subtle. But the acoustics inside the car is amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for the next video.